A good day to you all. I welcome you all to MIchtutors Academics. Today we'll be learning on how to solve a complex number using CASIO FX99IX. I welcome you all for all people that have been watching our video. I thank you because I know that I cannot watch it on myself, but I really want you guys to do well to subscribe as you are watching this YouTube video. Like, please, I beg you, do well to subscribe, like the video, and also refer people to go and watch because it's well understandable. Today I will just be dropping a video on how to solve complex number by the use of CASIO calculator. This is my calculator in my front. I on the calculator on. Now I go to the first thing I will first do here is by converting this complex number to both plus, subtraction, multiplication and division. That's what I want to do now. I will do the one of multiplication, addition, subtraction, and also I will talk about the conjugate, the argument, angle. I will talk about the polar form and the Cartesian form. Now I move from here. Now if I want to do this one, the complex number one, look at this. If I press this eng, shift eng, it will not press because this is what can change it to complex. It will not press, but I have to change my mode because my mode is still in normal mathematics. I have to change it to normal complex number. That's why I will press this by changing into complex number, and that's 2. You can see complex number is in number 2. I will press it. Now when I press that, I can now go to both addition and subtraction. If I want to go to addition and subtraction, I can use this. For example, 2 minus 3i plus 4i. Now I will open bracket, 2 minus 3i. I will press shift eng. You can see like that, plus 4 plus 5i, shift. As you can see, this is the answer. The answer is 6 plus 2i. That's for addition. But if it is subtraction, I will just change that sign of plus to minus by deleting that plus. You will just see, and I will press equals to. You can see it's minus 2 minus 8i. I can also change that minus to multiplication. I can change that minus to multiplication. Look at what I will have here. This will be my answer. That's 23 minus 2i. That's for multiplication. But if I change it to division, now look at what I will have. For division, I will just press this and look at my answer. This is my answer for division. I've already do for both addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now let me talk about the conjugate, the argument, and the polar form and the Cartesian form. Okay, now let me move on. For instance, if I'm looking for the argument of 1 minus I. You can see from my calculator, you can see number 2 in the calculator. If I shift it, here there is complex number on top of it, and I will just press shift 2. That give me, you can see I have argument as number 1, I have conjugate, I have the polar form and the Cartesian form. Now, or we call it rectangular form or Cartesian form. Cartesian, and we have the Cartesian, we have the polar form, we have the argument, we have the conjugate. Are you getting me? We have the Cartesian, we have the conjugate. Those are the things I have here. Now let me do for 1 minus I. I've done it before. I know what will be my answer. Now if I want to do for that, okay, I will just press my calculator because my argument is as 1. I'll just say argument of 1, let me say 1 plus I, shift I. You will see I have already do it before. I know my answer is 45. Look at it, it's 45. I can do anything, I can use anything, and that's my what? Argument. If I want to look for my what? My conjugate, I'll just have to go back to this my argument. I will off it. Let me off it. I go back to shift number 2. When I shift 2, it will bring it. Now my conjugate is as 2. If I say, we all know that conjugate of 1 plus I is 1 minus I. No need, but I just want to show you that your calculator can also do it. 1 plus shift I. Close the bracket. Look at what I have here. This 1 minus what? I. 1 minus I. Also, if I want to do for my polar form, that is, for the polar form, I already have 1 plus I. I will just first press it. 1 plus I plus I. 1 plus I. Let me close the bracket so that it won't be showing error. You have to be closing the bracket whatever you are doing, so that it won't be showing you error. Now with that, you can just press shift complex. You can see this is a polar form at number 3. Just press 3 and it will give you a polar form. For some electrical student or some student that do deal with complex number, this is how to look for polar form. You just press equals to. You can see it already give me root 245. This root 245 can later give me 1 plus I if I want to do it back to Cartesian form or rectangular form. Now I will just press this calculator and say answer. If I say answer, shift answer, shift complex number 4, you see it will later give me what I have. That's what? 1 plus I. Are you getting me? This how to make use of CASIO calculator to solve some problems in complex number. Hope you get it. Please, I've said it earlier, do well to subscribe on our YouTube video, like, share with people so that we can do more and you can see more video, because it's part of you watching the video will impress YouTube to start helping us to monetize our YouTube. Please, MIchtutors Academy is begging you, even the CEO at large, they are begging you, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube video, and as you do so, God bless you. I hope you like the video. Please do well to comment. If you have any question, you can do well to enter my comment section and comment. I would definitely attend to your question. Thank you. God bless you. This is MIchtutors, your tutor. Thank you for watching.